Hi everyone, it's Aisha here. I was going to fold some laundry, so I thought I would ask Iman to make a little video for everybody. I'm going to place the towels here, fold them corner to corner, dip, corner to corner, and stack. Again, corner to corner, smooth. Oh, I could feel a little bumpy here. Corner to corner, corner to corner. If you are using any towels or rags for the kitchen, when it's time to fold them, you can help your families by folding them corner to corner, stacking them, and when you're all done, don't forget to count them. Thank you so much. Have a great day.